So my current role is being an R&D graduate here at Goodman Fielded. So I started off in the grad program at the start of this year in February, and I've been here at the bakery for about 4 months. I graduated with a double major with a Bachelor of Science in Food Science and Microbiology from Otago last year. Honestly, out of high school, I had no idea what I wanted to do. I just knew I wanted to do something around science. I originally started off just doing microbiology, and after a careers interview they suggested picking up food science, and I ended up loving food science, so just wanted to go down that path. I think I make a difference by working and improving on, once again, everyday food products that Kiwis love and consume. So if you're improving those, then you're kind of getting a better result for them. Very curious, have a love for science and kind of understanding how things work, what processes happen, and then kind of being motivated to kind of get to an end goal where you can kind of see the impact that your work's doing. I'd say if you like anything to do with science, all aspects of science, chemistry, physics, and you like understanding how something goes from ingredients all the way to the final product, and you want to learn how that process works, it's fascinating, and it's definitely something you should be looking into.